Hi guys, we come.
So hi guys, welcome again to another video of our homeschool serye. So today, mag-share lang kami ng another tool set that we're currently using to help develop the fine motor skills of my child Aji. So here we have a tool set from Learning Resources. This one is the Helping Hands Fine Motor Tool Set. Tapos nag-add ako ng another item which I think could also help her sa kanyang development ng fine motor skills, and this is the Grip Tongs. So that we have here item or a material or a tool that would help in doing squeezing and then scooping, grabbing, trap, and gripping. So let me just give you an idea on how this tool set is helping my child to develop her fine motor skills. Okay, so ganito sila. So ito yung tool sets na currently ginagamit namin in helping her to develop her fine motor skills, because as we all know, nandun pa lang kami sa preparing her to do more of writings. So first we have here the Grip Tongs. This one is actually just an add-ons kasi ito, set na sila eh. Tapos dinagdagan ko lang nito kasi sabi, as per the Learning Resources, the one who created this tool sets, the Grip Tongs is a handy way to build fine motor skills that features intuitive finger placement. So dito, napapractice yung proper pen handling. So, ganyan siya. So, this one is an add-on, as I mentioned. This is from Learning Resources. And then, ito talaga sila yung set. So, we have here, may mga names yung tools na yan. And we have here the Gator Grabber. It's like an alligator. Twisty Droppers. This one is Twisted Dropper. Then we also have the Handy Scooper and Squeezy Tweezer. So let's go first with the favorite one of Aji, ng child ko. So this one is the Twisted Droppers. So this one strengthens the muscle in hands and fingers kasi she'll be doing some squeezing to put on water on this. Yan, kaya favorite niya to kasi too big. Tapos next, favorite is this one. This one is the Handy Scooper. So this one is for scooping. It works on the pre-scissor skill development. So yung proper way of holding scissors. So napapractice yun. At the same time, she's having fun scooping items like pom-poms, bears, yung mga mini little bears namin on our homeschool activities. Tapos, ito yung least favorite niya, itong dalawang to. This one is the Gator Grabber. This one is just for grabbing and sorting objects. So, better to use this with pom-poms as well and other small items. So, it develops the pincer grasp for writing readiness. So, itong 2 fingers na to, yung napapractice. And this one, ito hate niya to. Hate niyang gamitin to kasi this one is the Squeezy Tweezer. So, this one is the, parang kabaliktaran kasi siya ng Handy Scooper. Sa Handy Scooper, when you open it, when you open your hand, it will open the mouth. Tapos, makapag-scoop ka. Dito kasi, it's vice versa. So, kabaliktaran siya na kapag when you squeeze it, it will open, and then when you release, it will close. So, this one is good for picking up buttons, beads, and it helps to build hand and eye coordination. Medyo challenging for her to do this. Hindi niya magets how it will work sometimes. I keep on letting her use this para mas ma-practice yung hand and eye coordination niya. You need to push it to open and then you need to release for it to close. So, yan. Just this very simple tools, but really helps a lot on helping develop the fine motor skills of our child.
Cereals.
Huh?
Cereals.
Yummy. T40.
Who's now?
Madaya. Hindi ganyan. Push. Tapos push. O, yan. Tapos huli. Bitawan mo para mag-close. Yan. Konti na lang. O, sa ano mo. Bitawan mo para mag-close. Yan. O, tapos lagay mo dito sa baso. Push mo ulit. O, yun. Diba? O, one more. One more. Oh, sige na. Isa na lang. Isa pa. Push mo muna.
Push?
Push. Tapos, ano, bitaw. Push, release. Push mo na. Push. Push. Ito. Bitawan mo. Push. Push. Huwag mo hawakan. Yan. Push, yan. Tapos, yan. Ganyan, oh. Huwag mo kagad daanuhin. Push, yan. Bitaw. Oh, bitaw. One more. Push. Release. Release muna. Huwag mo munang ipupush, oh. Tapos, release muna. Saka mag-push. Very good. Good job.
Sa mga bells.
Magiging milk tea na kami.
He said bell.
Nawala ka ng alligator. Oh. One more.
Patay na yung Ellen.
Hello. Ito yun yung Ariel.
Sige.
Ano ba yan?
Gusto mo?
Purple.
Okay. Ting, 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 ting. Sa bell.
Oopsie, nahulog. One more.
Sa octopus.
Nahulog naman eh.
Thank you, watching. Thank you, watching. Thank you, watching.